Look, I have the letter W. This is how we sign the letter W. Does anyone know what sound letter W makes? Yeah, W says what, what. W for what, whale. W for what, water. W for what, wish. W for what, wave. The whale made a wish in the water under the wave. W. What? W.
W is for whale, swimming in the sea. W is for wagon, ride along with me. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. W is for wind, blowing through the street. W, 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 let's sing the letter W. W, 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 so many things we can do. W, 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 come and sing along with me. W, 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 the wonderful letter W. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. W is for worm, wiggling in June. W is for watch, ticking all day. W is for whistle, when we want to play. W, 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 let's sing the letter W. W, 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 so many things we can do.